Finally, guys, I have gotten this amazing invitation from YouTube. You know, I have been waiting for this invitation since last year and I totally forgot about it. I was like, okay, maybe it's because I have not gotten enough subscribers. And to my greatest surprise, last week I got this particular invitation and I went to my community to go and rejoice and celebrate and announce to them that I've gotten this particular invitation. And to my greatest surprise, some of my subscribers with less than 200 subscribers also got this particular invitation. So if you're wondering what this invitation is, hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amigos Concept and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is your first time tuning in, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and also share so other people can get this beautiful information. It is invitation to try out the community tab. Now you may be wondering that I've been posting and there's no need for this community tab. Now the difference between your posting on your normal YouTube channel and posting through your community tab is that it's not just you posting. Now your subscribers can also post in your community. Now this is something that I have seen big YouTubers do. Like I also post on big YouTubers community, you know, and for me to have my own community and for you to have your own community is a very good thing. You don't just need to focus on only video upload, short upload. You need to also upload on your community. Do you understand? If your community is active, it will also help, like the things you post on your community, people get to also see it on the FYP. So community is very important. Now how my subscribers are going to benefit from this community tab is that you can post your content in my community and everybody on YouTube, like every other person on YouTube, can get to see that your post, and people in my community will also get to see that your post. So it is not just you posting on your channel. Now you can also post in my community and people will also see it. So if you see other community, big YouTubers community, you can also post on it. This is another way to announce your channel, announce yourself on this YouTube street. So you see why I said that every single thing, every single tool that is available for us on this YouTube is solving a particular need and is very, very important. Like I said, I got this particular invitation when I had over 1,700 subscribers, but then there are other people in my community who also got this invitation with less than 200 subscribers. So if you have over 100 subscribers, because last year I heard that I need to have 50 to 100 subscribers for my community to be enabled. So mine wasn't enabled until my channel is even over 1 year and I'm over 1,700 subscribers, but other people got their own enabled at less than 200 subscribers. So if you have over 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers, you have to go and check your channel to see if this particular tab has been enabled for you. All you need to do is click this pencil sign here on your channel. When you click on it, you will, if the tab is there, you will see it. But if they've not enabled it for you, you will not see this particular tab there. So if it has been enabled for you, you enable it, you do the necessary setup because it has its own setup. And setting up this your community, I will also attach a screen recording to this particular video so that you can also set it up. It is not difficult. It will not even take you up to 2 minutes to set it up. It is that easy. But like I said, every single tool that has been enabled for us on this YouTube is supposed to serve a particular purpose. Take advantage of them and grow your channel. So this is how to enable your community tab. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, you go to YouTube. So when it opens like this, I don't know why it's taking me to live stream. So when it opens like this, you click on this particular pencil sign like you want to edit. Okay, so So this is my community. Viewers can post. So you see that the tab is disabled, so you go ahead and click on it to enable it. Do you understand? So once you have enabled it, so it is now enabled. So this community also has its setting like every other function on YouTube. So you can click on this community post to adjust the settings. So on this viewers post is showing on. So then for who can post, you see that it is your subscribers can post in your community. So if you are subscribed to my channel, you have the opportunity and the privilege to post your content, your videos or your posts in this particular community. If you're already subscribed to my channel, you can go ahead and try it out. So he said only people who have subscribed for a set amount of time. So you have to be subscribed to my channel for a while before you be able to post in my community. And trust me, when you post on this community, it is not just people on this community that get to see your post. Other people on YouTube will also see your post, as long as that post is well optimized and is discoverable. You understand? And now you can set the minimum subscription time, the minimum time you want their post to be up. If you want it to be up for a day or a week, so you can also set that out. This is very, very beautiful. If your community is not yet active, so you have to go and enable it and start making that community function. It is one way to tell the algorithm that this particular creator is very, very active and consistent on YouTube. This particular video was requested by a subscriber in my community who don't know how to set up her community. So watch this video, set up your community and start engaging on your community. When you make videos, encourage your subscribers to also post stuff on your community. Do you understand? It will definitely help your channel. I hope you got value from this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next one.